ready to ditch the chaos and supercharge your customer engagement. Let's dive into creating powerful automation flows between Wati and HubSpot. First, head over to your Wati account. We need to find the integration settings, usually located under Integrations or API Access. Copy your Wati API Key. You'll need this to connect with HubSpot. Now, jump into your HubSpot account, navigate to the Automation tab, then click on Workflows to create a new workflow. Select Start from Scratch and choose a trigger. A common trigger is a form submission or a contact property update. For example, you can trigger the workflow when a new contact submits a specific form on your website. Next, add an if, then branch to segment your contacts. For instance, if the contact's country is set to United States, continue on one path, and if it's Canada, continue on another. This allows for personalized messaging. Now, the magic happens at the Send WhatsApp message action, which utilizes the Wati integration. Paste your Wati API key, select the Wati WhatsApp number you want to use, and craft your message. You can use HubSpot personalization tokens to include the contact's name or other details. Experiment with these personalization tokens to tailor the message to each contact. This increases engagement and conversions. Double-check your workflow, ensuring all steps are correctly configured. Once you're satisfied, activate the workflow. Congratulations! You've created an automation flow between Wati and HubSpot. Now you can enjoy streamlined marketing, personalized interactions, and efficient lead management. See you in the next one.